Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to get your cursor or mouse pointer back on laptop when your touchpad isn't working. So if you don't have an external mouse connected to your laptop, and if you don't have it basically at all, then it's not a problem. However, if you do, then it will make the process of fixing the problem much easier. But I will still use my keyboard so that you can follow the steps even without the mouse. So the first thing you'll have to do is press the Windows button to open Start menu. Now use the Tab button to switch to this menu, and using your arrows go to Settings. To open Settings, press Enter. Now scroll down to Bluetooth and Devices using arrows, press Enter, press Tab to switch to View. Now from here move using your arrows, select the touchpad, and if your touchpad is disabled right here, then you can press the space bar to switch the toggle. But if your touchpad is enabled but it still isn't working, then the other way to fix it is first by pressing Alt F4 combination to close this window, and then open the Start menu again and input Device Manager. Okay, now use Tab to switch to this menu and look for Human Interface Devices. To expand it, press the right arrow, and now search for the touchpad. Okay, here it is, a HID compliant touchpad. So open it using Enter, and then use Tab to scroll through the tabs. And right now on this page, select Disable Device and press Enter. Press Yes, and then you can wait a while or just click OK, then enter this menu again, then go to this tab once again and enable this device. Now press Enter and check if your touchpad is working. If it still isn't, then what you have to do, the last option you have to do, is press go to this menu back again, go into Driver tab, scroll down to Uninstall Device and press Enter, confirm. Okay, so right now the device is uninstalled. Now go back to Start menu, and now select the power options and restart your PC and wait until it's rebooted. Okay, and once the laptop is rebooted, let's try and check the touchpad. And as you can see, it's working for me, and I hope that it does for you. But in case it's not, then the only option left for you is to reach out to the nearest repair center or maybe to HP customer service and tell them about your issue, and they will most certainly help you out with it. But I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.